Okay, traders, I'm going to place an order to buy euro. The price I'm looking to buy 118.22. Okay, order placed to buy at 118.22. You still have time, so if you want to buy, follow my trades. If you want to trade euro pair against United States dollar, please copy this trade and stay with me. Okay, and then I will tell you what we're going to do next. Order still we didn't fill yet, so it's still on. As soon as we will fill the order, I'll let you know what we're going to do next. If you want to get the strategy, you can get from company.co.uk, and after you will get the strategy, you have to practice with us, and then you can trade other pairs that's not available on our screen because we show you only one screen, as you can see. Okay, I'll speak to you later, guys.
Answer 1 was tapped to help with oversight.
Okay, traders, position opened. And position opened just right here. I'll show you where. I had to wait because even when it shows that it broke the line, it doesn't mean that we opened position. Position opened just right here. Okay? So, well done, great. And we hold position on euro against United States dollar pairs. Stay with me. You still have time. As you can see, it moved lower. You still have time to purchase long position on euro against United States dollar. I will speak to you later. I'll let you know what's going to happen next. Okay? Stay safe. Okay, guys, let's place stop on profit for euro at 118.24. Okay, all of you guys who copied this trade and entered position at 118.22, there is the time, not chance. You need to place. You must place stop on your profit because anything can happen with euro. We don't like to gamble, so if something will happen and it will change direction, you will close your position in profit. Okay, guys, stay safe. Okay, guys, position closed on euro at 118.24. Okay, we have 200 pounds in profit. Well done, guys. All of you guys who follow trade, who decided to copy this trade and trade with me, you made a profit. Let's move on. Okay, we collected profit. Let's see what other nice, good opportunity will give us this afternoon. Stay safe, guys.